Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most profound and puzzling questions in philosophy and science. The nature of time. Is it an illusion, a dimension, something we haven't even begun to grasp? We experience time every day. We talk about the past, present, and future. We measure it with clocks and calendars. But what exactly is it that we're measuring? What are we experiencing? Join me on this journey as we explore different perspectives on time, from ancient philosophers to modern physicists, and try to unravel this cosmic mystery. Let's get started. Is time a fundamental aspect of the universe, woven into the very fabric of reality? Or is it a construct of our minds, a way for us to organize our experiences and make sense of the world? Philosophers have pondered this question for millennia. Some, like the ancient Greek philosopher Heraclitus, believed that change is the only constant, suggesting that time is an essential part of the universe. Others, like the philosopher Immanuel Kant, argued that time is a framework that our minds impose on the world to understand it. Does time flow like a river, carrying us from the past through the present to the future? Or is it more like a still lake where all moments exist simultaneously? The idea of time as a flowing river is a compelling one. It aligns with our intuitive sense of time passing, of moments slipping away. But some physicists, like those who subscribe to the block universe theory, propose that the past, present, and future all exist at once, forming a static, unchanging block of space-time. If that's true, then our experience of time flowing might be nothing more than an illusion. Is our journey through time a one-way trip, a linear progression from beginning to end? Or does time loop back on itself, endlessly repeating in cycles of creation and destruction? In Western cultures, the linear view of time, often depicted as an arrow moving from past to future, has been dominant. However, many Eastern philosophies like Hinduism and Buddhism embrace a cyclical view of time, where the universe goes through endless cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. This perspective offers a different way of understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. Is time a universal constant, ticking away at the same rate for everyone everywhere? Or is it subjective, experienced differently depending on our individual perspectives and circumstances? Isaac Newton, the father of classical physics, believed in absolute time. He saw time as a fundamental aspect of the universe, independent of any observer. But Albert Einstein, with his theory of relativity, revolutionized our understanding of time, demonstrating that time is relative, affected by factors like gravity and motion. This revelation opened up a whole new realm of possibilities, suggesting that time might be even more flexible and mind-bending than we ever imagined. We've invented ingenious ways to measure time, from ancient sundials to atomic clocks. But can we truly capture the essence of time with these instruments? The very act of measuring time presents challenges. Einstein's theories showed us that time is not constant, but rather stretches and contracts depending on relative motion and gravity. This means that even the most precise clocks we can build will never perfectly align with each other, highlighting the elusive and relative nature of time itself. Imagine a universe where the past, present, and future exist simultaneously, frozen in a static block. This is the mind-boggling concept of the block universe, a consequence of Einstein's theories. If the block universe model is accurate, then everything that has happened, is happening, and ever will happen is already laid out, like frames in a film reel. This challenges our intuitive understanding of free will and the passage of time, suggesting that our linear experience might be just one way of perceiving a much grander, fixed reality. Have you ever noticed how time seems to fly by when you're engrossed in something you enjoy, but drags on when you're bored? This is just one example of how our subjective experience of time can be influenced by psychological factors. Our emotions, memories, and even our age can affect our perception of time. Time can feel different in different environments, cultures, and states of consciousness, reminding us that our experience of time is intricately intertwined with our minds and bodies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the nature of time. We've journeyed through some mind-bending concepts, from the flow of time to the possibility of a block universe. We've explored the perspectives of philosophers and physicists, all grappling with the enigma of time. While we may not have all the answers, one thing is certain: time, in all its strangeness and wonder, will continue to captivate and challenge us. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep your minds open to the mysteries of the universe.